Good morning. Today I am going to teach profit and loss. Profit and loss. First one is called CP, means cost price. Cost price. Cost price means on which you are buying an article is known as cost price, and the price on which you sell your goods is known as selling price, SP, or selling price. After that, in third is profit. Profit, that means on the amount on which you sell your goods minus the amount on which you buy goods. That means we can say SP minus CP. Or loss, next is that loss. That means CP minus SP. SP means selling price and CP means cost price. Here SP means cost price and CP means cost price and SP means selling price. How to find profit of any number, of any amount that you have sold and bought? Next is that the sum you have to understand or remember it. Remember it. Or learn it. But you will learn, that means gain. If you have to find gain, GAIN, gain is equal to SP minus CP, or selling price minus cost price. Then if you want to find loss, then CP minus SP, or CP and cost price minus selling price. If you want to find gain percent, gain, first of all, here you have to understand gain means profit. There is same meaning of gain or profit. Gain percentage. Then you have to write gain by CP into 100. Gain by CP into 100. And loss percentage equal to loss by CP into 100. And next is that SP. How you have to find SP? CP plus gain, it will be SP. And if you want to find there, then gain, SP is equal to CP plus gain. And SP, if you are going to find, then you have to write 100 plus gain by 100 into CP. If you want to find SP and CP, then 100 plus 100 by 100 plus loss into into SP. This you have to find. And if you want to find loss like that, the loss is equal to, here you have written there, loss is equal to Cp minus Sp. And one thing is that what is gain? Gain, the service of the amount that you have provided, is known as gain. The service of your amount and your money is called gain. And loss, the service that you have lost, is known as loss. And one example, if I am going to give, is most important to find these all ones. After that, if you want to find loss percent, then loss percent is equal to, loss percent is equal to loss by Cp into 100. Then this way you have all you have to find. Now I am going to give some one example. Example, the cost of an article is equal to 400 and sold for 336. That means Cp, cost price of an article is equal to 400. Selling price of that article is equal to 336. Then first we have to compare these both the amount given here. That means cost price and selling price. Here you are going to see that cost price is 400. That means you have bought that article for Rs 100 and you have sold that article in 336. That means Sp is small and less, and this one cost price is large. Then there will be loss. In which condition there will be loss? Cost price is small, or selling price is small and cost price is high. Then there will be loss. Loss there with formula is Sp minus Cp. Then loss is equal to 336 minus 400. Yes. 6. That means Rs 60 rupees there will be loss. This will be the answer of that one. And loss percent, if you have to find the loss percent of that one, then loss percent is equal to loss percent is equal to loss by Cp into 100. Then the answer is that loss, that means 64 by 400 into 100. There will be, the answer is that this one and this one gone. 16 4 are 64. Then you have to write 60%, there will be loss. Have you understood? Have you understood? This one, loss is equal to 16%. Now you have to, next example, the cost price of a pencil is Rs. Next, cost price of a pencil. You have to see in your book for that example. Is RS 4, RS 10, and SP of the pencil is equal to 20. Then now you have to compare the cost price between selling price. Now you have seen that the cost price is large and more and cost price is less. In this condition, there will be a profit. There will be profit. The formula of profit, now you have understood. SP minus CP. That is 20 minus 10, there will be RS 10. Your profit will be 10. If you want to find loss or profit, then it is very important for you that you have to compare selling price and cost price. Cost price and selling price. If selling price is bigger than the cost price, in this condition you have to say it will be profit. If selling price or the SP is greater than the CP, then you have to understood that in that condition it must be the profit. And in which condition there will be loss? Then if you will see, if you are going to compare the selling cost price and selling price, if cost price is greater than the selling price, in that condition it will be loss. Anywhere, anytime. And all formula you have understood and I have written on the blackboard, and that you have to write and understand and remember that one. For this way you have to calculate the profit and loss. If the student are facing any type of a problem to find out their answer to solve the problems that is given in your exercise book, then you have to comment us in the comment box your question. Yes, now you have to complete that. I am going to send some question to you, and that you have to complete it, that your homework. And if you are going to face any type of a problem, my dear student, then you must send the question and write in the comment box, and you have to send a question, and in next class I will explain and I will solve your problems, and I will, as far as practicable or as far as possible, all the problems will be solved in next classes. Thank you.